Hey guys, it's me, Jordan, and I am here with another reaction video. Yeah, I am reacting to another Fifth Harmony performance, Sledgehammer live on Ellen. Okay, a patriotic theme. Yes, Camila. Get it, get it, get it. Allie. Sledgehammer. Excited. Sledgehammer. Get it, get it, get it. Oh, snap. Yes, Lauren. Freaking love her. Get it, get it, get it. Oh. Flipping their hair. I love Normani's hair. Yes. I love her. Camila's my fave. They got the backup dancers. Get it? Okay, let's go. The truth is out. Yes. No stopping now. I'm getting closer now. I've had enough. Undress my love. I'm coming now. Right now, it would feel just like a sledgehammer. Yes. Yes. Get it, Allie. Oh, snap. Taking over, looking at my body. Yes. Oh my. How can I even? I'm not even going to try to do that. Get it. I don't know. I really like this performance. Yeah. That was nice. But yeah, that is it for my reaction video, and that is it for my video of this week. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comment section below you know, what you'd like to see in my next video. If it's a reaction video, I can do a reaction. If it's a makeup tutorial, I can do a makeup tutorial. But yeah, just let me know in the comment section below what you guys would like to see in my next video, and what did you think about Fifth Harmony's performance on Ellen. There will be a link in the description box below if you want to check that out, and there will be a link in the description box below to my Instagram, which I just made, so make sure to follow me on there to stay updated on when I post videos. Alright, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! I was like, you know what, let me get it. And my sister was all like, you know, you could just make that yourself, just with some sugar and some water.